Alright guys, good morning. Afternoon naman day. So karon we're on our days off and we're gonna go to Aramoana. And yeah, it's Saturday today. Nice and sunny day here in Dunedin, and yeah, that's where we're gonna go. So I'll see you guys when I see you. Cheers. The beautiful coast of Otago, and my goodness, tide is high, the vibes are good. Hi guys, so we're here in Aramoana already. So yeah, we're just gonna head out, check out the beach, see what it looks like, and we're gonna come back, see where it goes. Cheers. So guys, medyo tugnaw siya. I didn't expect it to be this cold because we thought it was gonna be sunny, but no, slightly windy and cloudy. So we've decided we're gonna go home. It tugnaw. Tubig, mainom. Yeah.